This is Bill Hornbarger, Chief Investment Officer at Benjamin F. Edwards, with three things to watch for the week of November 13th, 2023. Well, inflation has been top of mind for investors all year long, and this week we'll get another report on the Consumer Price Index, CPI, on Wednesday. This will be the CPI report for the month of October, in a month where energy prices, oil prices were down pretty significantly. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell talked about inflation last week, talked about Fed policy last week at an appearance, and indicated that despite the recent meeting where the Fed made no move, that they stand ready, willing, and able to continue to increase interest rates if that's what is needed. Inflation obviously has been top of mind, and it's been the number one thing the Fed has been fighting. This month, there is a particular increase in dispersion around the forecast because of the aforementioned drop in energy prices. On a year-over-year basis, inflation is expected to be up 3.3%, and with core inflation up 4.1%, so still significantly higher than the Fed is comfortable with. However, because of the decline in energy prices, there is a lot of talk that we might see the first three handle on core inflation since March of 2021. So again, stay tuned. Trading around this number could be increasingly volatile with the market poised for some particularly positive news. Retail sales will also be released this week, and at the same time, some of the major retailers will be releasing earnings. Target, Walmart, Home Depot will all be out with earnings this week, and the retail sales number comes out on Thursday. Retail sales for the month of October are expected to be down 0.3%. Remember, those are not inflation adjusted, and the big drop in energy prices is going to have an outsized impact on the retail sales number. Looking at earnings from the consumer discretionary and consumer staples part of the economy, they have both been surprisingly strong this year. So I think those earning reports will be closely watched as we work through the week. And then finally, later in the week, we'll get industrial production and manufacturing data. Both are expected to be a little bit softer because of the United Auto Workers strike that recently ended. All in all, the economy, again, appears to be making steady progress, growing, although slowing from the pace that we saw earlier this year.